Hi, my name is Stefan Coleman. I'd like to answer the question that so many of my clients ask, which is, can I keep my car if I file for bankruptcy? Luckily, each state provides its own state exemptions, which is really a dollar amount and how much property you're allowed to keep even though you're filing for bankruptcy. It's an amazing thing. So it means that even though you're filing for bankruptcy, in many cases you can still keep your car. Let's do this by way of example. For instance, let's say you have a car and it's worth $5,000. You could sell it today for $5,000. Now you owe $1,000 on the car. That means you have $4,000 in equity in the car. The state exemption, let's just make this up, is $2,500 in this particular state. That means that the trustee could potentially come and sell your car, give you the $2,500, which is the state exemption, and give the excess to be distributed amongst the creditors. Now, this is in theory what would happen, but in practice and in reality, you have to ask yourself whether the trustee would take the time, all the energy and effort it takes to possess the car, to sell the car, to give you the money of your exemption amount, and to distribute the money to the creditors is really worth it to him in terms of how much money he's able to distribute to the creditors. In this example, for not that much money, I'm not sure that he would take the car in this instance. So even though the exemption amount, for instance, in our case, was $2,500, it's very likely and very possible that you could continue to keep your car even though you have more equity in it than $2,500. Now, generally we calculate the fair market value of the car based on the Blue Book value, which we can look up very easily online. But in a majority of the cases that I deal with today, almost all of them, the clients are able to keep their car throughout the bankruptcy process and beyond because of the state exemption. If you have any questions about your particular situation, I'd be happy to speak to you about it. You can always give me a call. Thanks a lot.